So insurance policies are built on this concept of indemnity, bringing someone back to a pre-loss condition, to pre-damage condition, to make them whole, to put them back in the same financial state that they were in before the loss occurred. No better and no worse. That is the principle that builds insurance policies. The problem is that I don't think it's possible. I'm going to give you an example. If you've got a roof that has a damaged shingle on it, and in order to replace that shingle, you have to remove the fasteners from that shingle, put a new one in, and install new fasteners. You're not supposed to reuse the same nail holes because the nail holes that are there and the shingles that are still left behind have gotten a little bit bigger. And so you're supposed to seal down the deck. But now you've left nail holes behind in the decking that weren't there before. It is less structurally sound than it was just prior to the loss because it had less nail holes in it than it does now. So in order to bring them back to a true pre-loss condition, you'd have to remove the decking. And if I remove the decking, I have to replace a whole bunch more shingles, so I'm doing that for all of the decking. But now I'm leaving nail holes behind in the rafters. And so if I want to come back to a true pre-loss condition where they're the same as they were before, now I have to replace the rafters. And now I have to replace the ceiling joists, and I have to replace the walls, and the foundation, and the air in the surrounding area, fill in the dirt. All because of one damaged shingle. In order to achieve true indemnity, true pre-loss condition, I'd have to do all of those things. And that's not reasonable. And policies pay for the amount that's reasonably necessary in most cases. And so if I'm looking for a reasonable repair to bring them back to a reasonable pre-loss condition, that makes a lot more sense. Especially when I'm replacing with the new materials anyway, we're actually putting them in a better situation than they were. In a way, we're actually providing betterment because of an RCV policy. It's not the same condition they were in just prior to the loss. So is true indemnity possible? I don't think it is. If you disagree with me, let me know in the comments. But this is one of those things that a lot of public adjusters have a hard time with.